Are you tired of wondering where all your money went at the end of the month? Do you want to take control of your daily spending without the hassle of complex spreadsheets or old-school banking? If so, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of Revolut, the all-in-one financial app that's changing the way people manage their money. We'll show you how to use some of its most powerful features to simplify your daily spending, budget smarter, and save effortlessly. First up, let's talk about the heart of Revolut's money management, analytics. This isn't just a list of your transactions, it's a visual breakdown of your spending habits. The moment you make a purchase, Revolut instantly categorizes it, from groceries to transport to dining out. It's like having a personal finance detective that highlights exactly where your money is going, so you can spot trends and make smarter decisions. Next, you need to use budgets. This feature works hand in hand with analytics. You can set a monthly spending limit for each category, like a cap on your coffee budget or a limit for online shopping. As you spend, a progress bar fills up, giving you a real-time visual of how close you are to your limit. You'll get a notification if you're about to go over, which is a game changer for staying on track. No more end-of-the-month surprises. And if you want to make saving as simple as spending, you have to use pockets and roundups. Pockets are essentially sub-accounts you can create for specific goals. Maybe you want to save for a vacation, new tech, or just an emergency fund. You can label a pocket and move money into it with a single tap. To automate your savings, turn on the roundup feature. Every time you make a purchase, Revolut will round up the transaction to the nearest whole number and transfer the difference to a pocket of your choice. A $4.50 coffee becomes $5, and that 50 cents is instantly saved. It's a painless way to watch your savings grow without even thinking about it. Finally, for security and peace of mind, don't forget about virtual cards. If you're shopping online from a new website, you can generate a one-time use virtual card. The card details are destroyed after the transaction, protecting your main account from potential fraud. It's a simple but incredibly powerful way to keep your money safe. Revolut is more than just a digital bank, it's a toolkit for a healthier financial life. With its intuitive features, you can go from just spending money to actively managing it. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.